Tired of annoying ads popping up while browsing the internet on your iPhone? Pop-up windows that open on their own, ads that interrupt your reading, and slow down Safari. All of that can ruin your user experience. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to easily block ads and pop-ups in the Safari browser on your iPhone without any additional apps or complications. Let's get started. So first, find the Settings app on your phone and open it. Once you're in Settings, the next thing you need to do is scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Apps section. Tap on it. In the Apps section, you'll see a list of all installed apps on your phone. Scroll down and find the Safari app. Once you find it, tap on it. This will take you to the Safari app settings page. On the Safari settings page, you'll see a bunch of different options. Now, scroll down a bit to the General section. There, find the Block Pop-ups option and tap the switch next to it to enable it. Once you turn it on, Safari will automatically block most pop-up windows while you're browsing the internet, which means fewer distractions and a safer, smoother browsing experience. That's it! You've successfully disabled pop-up ads on your iPhone or iPad. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.